time for another adventure. Morning everybody. It is currently 6:30 AM and we are heading to the Isle of Skye, and the sunrise looks beautiful this morning, so maybe we'll catch some on the way. I thought I was really early getting up, but I went down to reception. There was already about 10 key cards on the reception desk. But yeah, let's fucking do it. Let's do it. Day two guys, come on. The drive from Fort William to our first stop, the store, would be about 3 hours. But to be honest, it took a lot of willpower to not stop the car every 10 minutes just to take in the amazing views on this route. So here's some of the footage of our journey to Skye. I should have been at Isle of Skye like an hour ago, but like I keep stopping. Look, everywhere you look, it's fucking crazy. It's fucking crazy. Hey guys, look, who did it better, me or Bob Ross? Right, anyway, carry on. Well, here we are. Yet again, we've arrived somewhere where it's raining. I'm gonna fiddle about with stuff, make sure everything is sort of charged, get my bags ready, and then we're gonna venture up here. I mean, it's not too bad to be fair. It's only drizzling. But yeah, okay, let's go. I've only gone up the first little bit and I'm knackered. We're going just over there. Yeah, I committed to going up. Going down's not going to be as fun. No. Okay, gently does it now. Gently does it. Okay, I'm back down. I was about there. That's where I got to. And then it was a bit sketchy coming down, but we made it. Now to head back towards the car, I think. Oh. Okay, right, well I'm heading my way back to the car from here, but I've spotted something quite cool, so I'm taking a little detour. But yeah, let's go check this out. off by a little waterfall. And I'm seeing if I can find somewhere that I can do a little stream. It's really windy, so I'm not sure. But I'm gonna have a little walk around anyway. Very pretty, very pretty. We'll see what we can do. Keep looking at the wrong thing. The camera's not there, it's there. But yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Yeah, so I think this is a bit too windy here to do the stream, so I'm going to carry on to the next spot. We'll see if I can see somewhere on the way. Oh my god, nearly dropped my phone in the water. Yeah, a bit too windy, but it is very beautiful. It's a shame. So it would have been sick to do a stream with the waterfall in the background. But yeah, we're going to carry on. When I go back to the car, we're going to carry on to the next spot, which is fairy pools. I keep forgetting that I'm not really like saying where I'm going. But this is Slayer. I don't know. Can't remember the name. But next we're going to the fairy pools. Still on Isle of Skye. We're going to spend pretty much. Oh my god, nearly fell over. Going to spend pretty much the whole day here. Gonna sleep just off Isle of Skye. And then tomorrow it's all along the west coast. So yeah, okay, right, back to the car. Okay, yeah, so it's a bit of a fail, this one, in terms of trying to find somewhere to stream. It's really windy here, and they make you stick to the path. So, because I was hoping to find like a little sort of quiet area. There's just loads of people just walking up and down this path, so I'm going to enjoy the walk, and then see if I can find somewhere on the way back. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Right guys, so I did manage to find a spot to stream. I did a little stream opening some Pokemon packs, and now I've gone to my second hotel on the trip. I'm gonna put my stuff here, go get something to eat and come back and just have an early night, I think, because I'm knackered. But let's have a look at the room. I get 2 pillows this time, which is nice. Little desk, TV. Hello. Bathroom not as nice, but at least I don't feel like anyone's going to see me. Better or worse than last night? I think maybe worse. Maybe worse. So I think that's it for tonight, guys. Day 2. This will be me signing off for today, and I'll see you again tomorrow morning, nice and early, hopefully. I want to be up early again, but it just depends how I sleep, because the walls seem quite thin, so we'll see. But yeah, so on to day 3 already tomorrow.